In this video, we're making this delectable caramel sauce and I'll show you how in just 3 simple steps. These are all the ingredients you're going to need to make the caramel sauce. So first, in a saucepan, you're going to add in your sugar. I'm using granulated sugar, but you can also powder it. Also add in the water. And place this on low to medium flame until the sugar dissolves. In this first stage, you can stir the mixture, but I'm just swirling the pan. Now once the sugar has completely dissolved, you're going to increase the flame to medium-high and wait for about 8 to 10 minutes while keeping an eye on the mixture. Make sure not to stir at this stage and just swirl the pan if you need to. And be very careful because it's going to be very hot. And slowly you will see that the mixture starts turning a golden amber color. And once your mixture turns a deep amber color, you're going to switch the flame to low and add in your warm fresh cream. And as you add it in, you will have to stir the mixture. And be very careful while you're doing it because the mixture is going to bubble very vigorously. Keep adding the cream and stirring until the entire cream has been mixed in. And your caramel is going to be almost ready. Mix in the butter. And the vanilla extract. And switch off the flame. Your creamy caramel sauce is ready to be enjoyed, and you can serve this with desserts or use it in any other recipe. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with new recipes. I will see you soon. Bye.